Hey, this is Tanisha, and today I just want to have a quick chat. I just want to talk about being an artist and being on social media, and for anybody struggling with it, struggling with being a new artist or with social media, struggling with sharing your art, that's what I want to talk about today. So, if some of you are new here, I am a artist. I found art later in my life. I guess when I say later in my life, I'll say in my 30s, which to me is late. I did try to do some art things when I was younger, but I didn't do it for a while. So I still consider it late because I feel like I've done more now than I have as a child. But anyways, I wanted to talk about this topic because it's something that I think about with my art journey, sharing art and just making art, period, has been a journey. And one of the things I noticed when I first started out, I was doing abstract. Well, I started out with jewelry, but I eventually moved into doing abstract painting. And I got to a point where I felt like I was comfortable with what I was doing, then found out I was allergic to acrylic. And so then I had started figuring out, well, what's my new art medium going to be, because I can't do acrylic anymore. And so at this point, I had already been sharing on social media for a while. And I've always been a person who felt like, let's just keep it real. Let's be real. Let's show the truth of, the journey. And I showed the good and the bad. And unfortunately, having to change what I was doing was a huge change for me. So I decided that I was just going to share my journey online regardless, because I had already been doing it and I didn't want to stop sharing. I did stop for a period just to give myself time, and that's okay. I think what I really want to say today is that we don't want to get... It's great being an artist, but I think with social media, there are some pluses to it and some negatives to it. A lot of times on social media right now, we're seeing a lot of people showing perfect art, perfect sketchbook pages and layouts and things like that. And it's rare you see someone showing the journey of how they got there. Everybody starts out somewhere, and some people have just been making art longer so their art looks better. There's absolutely nothing wrong with people who have been through the journey of making bad art and now they're making a lot more consistent good art. I'm sure they have bad days, because there are days I have good days and there's days I have bad days. And right now I'm still in the transition period of not figuring out, I think I have a good idea now where I'm going and what I'm going to focus on. But one thing there's a couple things I want to talk about. And number one is, don't be afraid to make bad art. If you are a new artist, or you're like me trying to change over to a different medium like watercolor, gouache, or whatever it is for you, don't be afraid to make bad art. Be okay with that, because I feel like every time I make something and it doesn't go well, I learn so much from it. And if I had sat here and I only tried to make perfect art, I don't think I would learn a lot from that. And I think it just wouldn't be good for me. And so now, if you're on social media and you're sharing art, you may also feel the need to share perfect art, and that can be stressful. I feel like if you're a new artist, or you are like myself transitioning, if you feel like you want to share on social media, you should. And you shouldn't feel compelled to share only the perfect pieces, because in reality, there's good and there's bad. And, if you plan to post on social media, it could be for various reasons. You may want to use it as a way to look back on where you came from to where you are at the time. It could be just an outlet for you to share what you're working on. But I do have to say something. I'll say that I have noticed, when I was doing my abstract art, there's, certain people liking my posts, to the point where those same people, even though I mentioned on my social media that I'm discovering my new art style, my new mediums, and it's funny, some of those people aren't even around anymore. They don't even support the journey of figuring out something new. They don't even like it. I've even had people tell me, oh, I don't like what you're doing now. And what I really want to say to all the artists today is that you cannot expect people to understand your journey. You cannot expect people to support you through this journey. You cannot expect people to stay around for this journey. But you'll find your real supporters, the ones that will stick around and cheer you on, because there are people that I notice that will like only the stuff they feel like is good. They're not here to support me through the journey of figuring it out. You know, the things that I posted are not that great. They don't even like the posts. They don't even support or cheer me on or anything. And I can guarantee you it's going to happen to you. But I think the best thing you can do is just not care about that. It's easier said than done, but you are not here for likes. You are not here for those people who only support you when something good is posted. You are here for a reason. And for me, my reason is I'm here because I want to have a positive impact on people. And I'm not here for, figuring out how many people liked my video or, that I just look perfect for everyone, because I'm not a perfect person. I don't live in a perfect world. And I want to encourage everyone, if you are sharing on social media, you're going to encounter this where people are not going to support your journey unless, you're meeting their standards. And I say, don't make art for them. Make art for whatever purpose you're making art, and be secure in your art. And I'm not saying don't be open to criticism or things like that, but if you are going through a journey like myself, trying to figure out your way, and I think what I can say is that I figured out who really stands behind me. Just know what your goal is. I just want to encourage artists to get comfortable with being uncomfortable online, because there's going to be a ton of people who just won't be there for you. And I can say that I feel like I've really built up a thick skin in regards to that. And I've had a lot of people just say things, but I just keep going, and you have to push through, because making art is hard enough. When the art isn't good, sometimes it can be very discouraging, but I think we really win when we get back up and we keep making anyway, because everybody has bad days. And right now I'm making a lot of, let's say, I'm not going to say bad art, but not so great art, but I'm making art that's really helping me learn something. And if, I feel like anytime that I have failed or in life and anything, not saying it's a good thing, but I've learned so much from it. And so I just want to encourage you to keep pushing forward with your art journey. If you're sharing online, don't let what people say or the fact that they don't like your art or like your post or whatever stop you from doing what you have to do. For me, the real purpose behind what I'm doing is I want God to be able to use me in my art in some way, shape, or form. And I don't think He cares about likes, and neither should you. So I think He cares about, what kind of impact that we have on people, and likes and who doesn't like it or whatever, or it doesn't really matter. So just remember your purpose, your reason why. Don't give up, and share online if you want to. Share your journey there. It could be just for you. It doesn't have to be for other people. And keep going no matter how many likes you get or you don't get. And I really hope this encourages any new artist or any artist that's struggling right now with the online world and fearing that they must show up perfect, because there is no perfect. Everybody's gone through a journey where their art didn't look the way they wanted. And there are some people that do share their good and their bad art online, but it's few and far in between. I can tell you, my social media, you'll see some not so great art, but it's been a journey, and I'm happy about it, and I know that things will get better. So anyways, thanks for checking out the video. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will be talking to you in 2 weeks.